How's it going, you guys? Steven with Break Free Homestead. Today we're going to go over this Husqvarna YTH18542. So we need to sharpen these blades and we don't have a lawnmower lift. I made another video where we replaced the blades. They were in super bad shape, so they just had to go. But apparently I didn't go into enough detail on the actual removal of the blade. So let's get this thing up and get under there. If this content helps you guys out at all, I'd appreciate it if you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out as we grow. We provide 2 new videos a week as we expand our homestead. Real quick, we're just gonna chalk this thing. I got called out in my last video for not chalking it. 1 on each side there. Let's go to the front. Let's go down onto the front here. And these things are relatively light. And this is a pretty sturdy piece right here. This is not sturdy, it's just a guard. But last time I just jacked it up right on there and it did the trick and put a jack right there. All right, I just threw a couple 6x6s under there just in case it drops. It'll catch on there and not crush us. So let's go look under here, see what we need to do. It's kind of dirty under here, but if you look, I just wedged this, basically it's almost like a 2x4 in here, and it's just hitting the top and then hitting the side here. And this will hold, if you hold that in place, it will hold the blade still so you can loosen it. And now we're using a 5/8 socket, and it's just going to be the standard direction, left loose. And that's going to get your blade down here. Super easy. So obviously how you just took it out, these are bagger blades, so make sure your curves are up when you put it back on. This side I feel like is a little bit easier because you have the side discharge. So you're really just going to lock this in here. And it won't even, you don't even have to pinch it in there up against the top. It'll just be caught right there just like that. Same direction, left loose. Super easy to remove. You know, if you didn't have a jack stand, you could even just have your friend lift it up, put it on some blocks for you. If it doesn't come loose, just tap it, it should come out. We're just gonna be using our Harbor Freight angle grinder for this. Nothing super precise, just don't take a crazy amount off. All right, so obviously these blades are not brand new, but this should get you a decent amount of more time of cutting, and they're definitely gonna be sharper than when you started. Super simple. You probably do this a few times before you have to end up getting new ones before it comes unbalanced if you do it too much on one side or the other. So let's get this back on. These blades are the same, so it doesn't matter what side you put them on. Let's get it up. Like I said, guys, as simple as that. If this helped you out at all, I would appreciate it if you could drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. Like I said, we'd love to have you join us.